I did a short and I said, I starred that corner. And somebody says, what does that mean? Well, that means after I had taped and rolled and glazed these angles, I picked that corner. And during the top coat the next day, when I was topping everything out, I went and put another coat just on that corner. I starred it out, tried to get it a little bit fuller, make it look a little better. So today, when I'm running the mud runner and I'm skimming out all of these angles, I will coat that corner one more time, and I will have 3 coats on that corner, and it'll just look beautiful. Now, some people, they will tape this job out, and then when they come in and they'll coat everything in, then they'll come in and they'll skim it. They'll run the angle box or the mud runner or the mud shot, whatever they're using. They will pick that corner again, and then after everything's dry and before they sand, they will touch up. They will touch up the angles. They will pick those corners again. That'll be the 3rd time. They'll pick those corners again, and they will look beautiful then too. But I've learned if I'm not putting 3 coats on that corner, I'm always having to touch up something if I don't have 3 coats. If I tape it and then skim it, I usually have something to touch up when I'm sanding and detailing. You guys have a great day. Hey, if you really like my videos, subscribe. And if you really, really like them, please just share them with somebody else. How do you like my new t-shirts? And you know, you also might want to check out these other videos that are playing right down here right now. So just click on them. All right, subscribe. Have a great day.